good time, but weather didn't break. Looks like we're gonna have to turn around in a little while, but we're gonna go for another 20 minutes or so. We went off trail a little. Not exactly where we're at, but we're gonna try to get to a little vantage point so we can get some good views. You ready? Well, this is where we're gonna call it. Reached the end of where we're going. It's getting real cold. And just that time to turn around. Till next time. When I start a hike or a trail run, sometimes I think, what am I doing? Why am I going up? But every time I start going down, I remember why. And this is why. And that's the wrap. Completed. I'm done.